Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making two simple DIYs using Dollar Tree items. We have here the 4x6 picture frame. We're going to use this piece of poster board that I got from Hobby Lobby, some green paint from Apple Barrel, and this fresh cut from this window cleanse from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take these little wooden trees from the Dollar Tree. And here I was going to use these letters with the tree. But as you will soon see, I realized that it wasn't going to be enough space for the tree and the words. So as you can see here, I am just lining things up to make sure it's going to work. And that's when I realized that it's not going to work. I was going to use the word pine, but it wasn't going to fit. So we're just going to use the fresh cut word, and we're going to put these away. Save them for another project. Okay, so we're just going to take our trees here. And I'm going to just paint them with this Apple Barrel paint from Walmart. I can't remember the name of the paint. I'm thinking it's Pine Forest or Evergreen, something like that. But I think it's a really pretty green. So I'm going to paint all three of these and be back. Okay, so we have all three painted. And so what we're going to do now is we're just going to take our poster board paper and our window cleanse word, and we're just going to line up here, but I'm still going to use the Mod Podge. And so I'm just going to put a generous amount of Mod Podge on the back and spread it out. Make sure you put enough on there so you can get your edges, so nothing will move once you put it down. Okay, there we go. So now we're just going to lay it down here and just smooth it out. Okay, there we go. Get our hot glue gun. And I thought I had it mine plugged up getting hot, but evidently I don't think I did. So here we go. We got all three trees, and we're just going to line them up. Okay, so we're going to take our hot glue gun and just put some along the edge. It doesn't take much. Line them up. And after I got them all down, that's when I realized that I really didn't have it centered like I should have. But it's okay. Okay, so now I have all 3 trees down. And it's cute. So I kept the glass in the picture frame. So I'm going to put my glass back in. Lay down my poster board here. And take the back part of the picture frame. And just make sure everything is down all the way around the edges. And there you have cute little farmhouse picture frame. Okay, so on to our second DIY. Here we have these 2 boxes with the drawers on it at Dollar Tree sales. I just took the drawers out. We're going to use this linen white by Rust-Oleum. Some ribbon here that I got from Hobby Lobby. And what we're going to do is I'm going to paint. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Okay, so now we're back. They have dried. And now we're going to take our Hobby Lobby buffalo plaid ribbon here. And I think I got this ribbon when they had it on sale, when they be having the ribbon 50% off. So it's a really great deal. That's a great time to buy your ribbon. Okay, so we're going to take our ribbon and flip the box so where you can see the inside. Now I didn't paint the inside because no one's going to see it. And so you're just going to take your hot glue gun, put a little hot glue, take some of your ribbon, just lay it down. Be careful because it gets really hot. And just wrap. And on each corner, just put a little hot glue. All the way around, just like that. And once you get around to the other side, just cut your ribbon. And add your hot glue. And so that we're going to do. That's what we have so far. So we're going to do the other box like that. Be right back. Okay, so now both boxes are finished. These are some little bows that I made with some more ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to place these black bows with the white stitching on top here. So your present can have a bow. I think that's turned out so cute. And now I'm going to take these berry picks that I got from Hobby Lobby also. And we're just going to cut off the ends and stick them on each side of our middle of our bow. Okay, and I'm going to do that for both bows. Okay, so we're just continuing right here. Okay, so now we have the various peaks on there. Now I'm going to take an acorn, the little teeny tiny acorns that I got from Hobby Lobby also, and just stick them in the middle. I think it make it look so cute. So there, I'm sticking the other one on there. And there we have our little gift box. So here are both our DIYs, you guys. I think they both turned out very cute and simple. Great addition to your home decor. So once again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload a new video. And until the next one, bye guys.